So yours is the beauty that can be available to you, and when you have beauty, we have a voice that gives us something to express, something to talk about. Maau Raa te hono, the ability to connect with the people we belong to, brings us joy. Just in the relationships, the connecting, discovering new people in our lives, that becomes ours. Pull those things together. What we've got is people who can stand independently, can stand with some strength, stand with some courage. And the Pathways Waiata indeed does that. So its origins in Taupo at the conference was about saying to everybody who was at the conference, if we parked up everything that got in the way of us doing our best work with our service users, what words would we use to describe what we would want for those who work with? And so they came up with some one-word descriptors around what that might be, pulled that together in a tune, which was the result of what we have today, which is the waiata.
Following the creation of our waiata, one of the things we decided to do was that we actually needed to really make sure that it came alive, and so we pulled together a group of staff from around the country, and they were staff who their local leaders had identified, kind of lived and reflected our values. In addition to the staff, we had some tangata whaiora, so people that we support, as well as there were a group of young people from one of the schools that we work in. And in addition to that, we had the key people from Wise Management who support us in the work that we do every day. And it was just truly one of the most magical days, and I guess that was the power of people, and just all being in a really, really special place that we felt respected and valued in, and it was just, I guess that the specialness was about what we created together, and just the strength of the voice and all of our voice together.